Hi guys, in this video we will see how to set up and use eye tracking feature on your iPhone. It is very easy to set up and use eye tracking on your iPhone. To do so, tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and tap on accessibility. Here scroll down and look for the feature eye tracking. Tap on this feature eye tracking. Here eye tracking allows you to control your devices using just for your eyes. iPhone should be on a stable surface about 1 foot away from your face. So eye tracking allows you to control your device using just your eyes. Your eye will move and iPhone will function. Here are the feature. A smooth pointer may be increasing, this value may decrease pointer. A snap to item, zoom on keyboard keys, auto hide, dual control. These are the features or customization control tools available. So turn on eye tracking and you will see a round button moving with your eyes, in which your eye will move. You will have to see on this pointer. Wherever this pointer move, your eye should be concentrated on this pointer, this round icon. This collects your gesture and your eye from all your iPhone. So it's activated, and wherever I will move my eyes, it will automatic function it. You can see easily it will activated, and wherever my eyes on display screen of my iPhone, it will move automatically on this feature. That's all.